like to say I know that it has been a long time since I've posted my last video, and a lot has changed. I had some things in the work to do, like a finishing touches room makeover video, but you know, my room was on pause for a while, and you know, some things I have improved and I took some videos of, but I didn't I wasn't really in the videos. I just kind of did a lot of time lapses. I'll keep with the tour from the video that I made almost a year ago now, and then just show you guys my progression and what I've done so far to get to where it is now. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoy the transformation, and a lot of things that I have in my room I've made myself to be able to have it turn out the way that I would want it to look for myself. It's all coming together. It's slowly but surely, and I hope to continue to give you guys content for those who are out there looking to be designers, or for those who are out there looking to work with a designer. Stick around. This is kind of like all of the above type of design going on. So there's art, there's woodworking, and then it's just fun at the same time. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoy the channel. I have refreshed my channel. I have a new name, new almost everything. So this is where we're going to be designing. This is where we're going to be doing some vlogs, maybe some DIYs, and I hope that you guys can come along with me as we design. And yeah, welcome to my channel. Welcome to I Design.